Okay, no, just go with the tutorial. First fold in half, okay, and then fold your edge to the middle line that you creased. Try to be precise, right? And then same thing on the other side. Okay, and then unfold. And then we want to fold the bottom left corner up to the edge here. And then rotate it, same thing, bottom left up to the edge. And then we want to fold this edge right here up to this quarter line right here. And same thing on the other side. Now we fold these quarter parts back in. You want to fold a triangle from this point to the center over here. Okay, and then rotate, same thing. You get a rhombus type shape, and so unfold those two. And insert this corner underneath this tab here. Rotate, same thing, insert this underneath here. You get this. You want to take the side with the folds, and fold this in half here, and take this corner, place it here, and same thing, flip it over, same thing on the other side. And so that's one piece. You need to make 30 of these pieces, so I have them here. Okay, so assembly, you want to start with 2 pieces. So each piece has 2 pockets and 2 corners. So 1, 2, and 2 pockets here. So take 2 pieces, take one of the pockets and one of the corners and put them together like this. And then when you kind of like arrange them together, it should form kind of a triangular pyramid shape. And start taking your next piece, insert it into the second piece's corner or pocket. And you want to connect the first piece's corner into the third piece's pocket. So then you form a pyramid type shape. And just continue adding pieces the same way. Right, and so our goal is to use up all 30 pieces. And we want to kind of start forming a ball shape. And once you've completed 10 pieces, once you've connected and completed and connected 10 pieces, it should look something like this with 5 pyramids over here. Make sure it's not 6 or 4 or 3. It'll change the shape of your final product. So, and take your next color. Continue. So same thing, right? Put pockets, corners into pockets, right, and try to form 5 pyramids. So just keep going around and then keep adding pieces in. Okay, and then take your final 10 pieces, same thing all the way to the end. So 3 pieces make 1 corner, right? last piece, you just need to insert both corners, all the corners into all the pockets. It's a little difficult, so try to maneuver it around. Oops. Let's see, this goes here. Right. Make this pyramid here, and then the final pyramid right here. And then just try to push all the pyramids corners together. Then you have it right here. 30 pieces.